Hello, Mr. Chang here. Today we are making one of the most popular starters in the Chinese takeaway menu, chicken and sweet corn soup. It's silky, comforting, and full of flavour. Let's start cooking. Before I start, can I just give a quick shout out to two of my latest private members, Kyle McClelland and Dennis Smith. Thank you very much for that. Helps keep me motivated to do more videos and also helps with the ingredients. Speaking of ingredients, this is one whisked egg, half a tin of sweet corn, some MSG, salt, white pepper, spring onions, chicken, 1 pint of water, and corn flour to thicken. The full recipe for this soup will be in the description box below. And I'm cooking today for just for me. This is for one person. So if you're cooking for two people, double up the ingredients. If you're cooking for four, multiply by four and vice versa. So I'm just going to use this cooked chicken and about 3/4 of the chicken drumstick. That's all the chicken that is needed. It's more than enough for one large bowl of soup. So we just need a tiny amount of chicken for this soup, and then with the rest of the chicken, I keep that in the fridge, and I can use that to make chicken curry, chicken fried rice, spring rolls, chicken satay, chicken balls. I sound like that guy or the Bubba Gump that knows all about shrimp, but I can make so many meals out of this. So that's all the chicken we need there, about 3/4 of a drumstick. It's more than enough. Just pick out these bones here. Heat up your wok for a moment before you add in some vegetable oil. And then I'm going to go on with the chicken. Now remember, this is cooked chicken, so I'll only have to reheat it for 30 seconds or something like that. I don't see the point in buying raw chicken fillets and wasting time. It's a waste of time cooking them. And how much money are you really saving after you've taken the price of gas and electric and your time? And cooked chicken like this is much nicer anyway. Hassle free, live your life doing something else with your time instead of trying to save 20p. Add in a pint of cold water, and then we're going to throw in half a tin of sweet corn. This is one of the easiest things you'll ever make at home, and you'll do it in 4 or 5 minutes. This is just salt, ground white pepper, and a bit of MSG. Bring the soup back to the boil. It's too thin, so what we need to do is thicken it up with some corn flour slurry. All that is 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of cold water, and we stir this, and this will start thickening it up when you bring it back to the boil again. So based on soup for one, do not add any more than 2 tablespoons of corn flour slurry in unless it's wallpaper paste you want. And now for the magic part. Slowly drizzle your beaten eggs into the soup while stirring gently. This creates those beautiful egg ribbons you always see in Chinese soups. Lovely jobbly. Now we're nearly done. A quick stir. Tap your fork off the edge of the wok 3 times for good luck. And we're going to just finish this off in 1 second with a splash of sesame oil for extra flavour. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button and subscribe. Thanks again to my new private members and Mr. Chang.